Guys, how to make same words bold in Microsoft Word. So very simple and easy way you can try this method. Click on replace. Here find what, type the word which you want to make bold and replace with same word. Here click on more and format. Here select font and here select bold. Also you can change the size. Click on OK and replace all. Basically we don't have that word. Find that one like word. We will try with another one. Format and font. Bold, everything okay. Replace all.